Hello beautiful devs, welcome back, and in this video we are going to move further and we will just change the logo and basic things regarding to our website. And you can see that here is the logo, and I just have created a logo in Photoshop, and I will show you that fast on TV, and here is the logo. So this one, so this is a logo which we will use for our website, and definitely we can change logo later on, but for now it's good. And here I have created a favicon. So the favicon is a image of around in a square dimension, for example 32 or 64 or 512 or 512 pixels. So here on the top you can see this icon. So this icon is called favicon. Okay, so we can change this favicon as well. So now for the website, if we go here, you can see that we can customize the theme by clicking here, or you can find out the theme here as well on the templates. And you can definitely go to appearance and customize. So this appearance and customize is the same thing, and here on the dashboard it is also here. So we can click here. Now you can see certain settings, certain basic settings here for the theme customization. So first of all, here you can see we have different sections, and under the sections we have different more sections. So here you can see in general tab we can find out the general settings. So if we go to the general settings, you will find out the upload favicon setting. So let's select the image, and first of all we are going to add the favicon. Here is the favicon, and let's add it. Okay, and then you can see we have the horizontal size, etc. And what else? Custom container width, custom border radius for the featured images, etc. Okay, so there are a lot of things here. You can play with these values to get your own results. For now we will just move with the default settings. Also you can see that here show primary category from used SEO, etc. we didn't have implemented that. Show only primary category, and a lot of other settings are there which you can actually modify as per your need. And then when the changes are done, you can click on publish, and it will the changes will be applied to your website. After that we can move further, and here you can see body boxed option. You can see that we have two options. We can make a website as a website as well, and usually I don't like that type of websites. Also you can do so, and you can add a background color or the background image as well if you want to do so, but I don't like that type of boxed website, so I will just uncheck this option. After that we have a category tags, search and archive pages, and here are some actually predefined category template, etc. and actually I don't want to play with these things now. Later on we will explore these as well. After that we have search settings, where you can see that the include pages on the search results and search page types, and enable Ajax live search, so it will be more dynamic if you want to use that, but I will not use that. I will just keep it simple. Show post thumbnail show post format icon, show post date, etc. So these are the settings are related to the search bar, and definitely you can customize the colors and other things as well. I will go with the default. After that we have the other options like GDPR policy. I will not go into this detail for now. After that we have like post and social sharing options, where you can enable certain buttons, hide. You can see certain buttons are hidden, and here you can see these buttons are available here, and we can actually add the custom sharing text, Twitter, etc. And we will do this setting on the in the another section. So indeed you can actually hide any option, for example like, etc. And on the post, when you will open the post, you will not see that option if you will disable it. And then after that we have manage image sizes, where you can manage different image sizes, but I will not do that because default themes are working absolutely good. And then schema markup, and we have several options here as well. So these options, most of the options we don't want to actually change. After that especially typography, you can choose your own typography, but indeed I like this style as well, Roboto font style and sizes as well, but you can change the styles of fonts, etc. Colors, here is the main accent color of the website. Definitely we are in Pakistan, so let's change this color and let's make it something like Pakistan. So I will just go to the website and I will say Pakistani flag green color code. Okay, and here you can see that we have this code, so copy it and then let's paste it here. Okay, and let's see how it will look like. So publish, and it is actually very dark, I think so, which we don't need. Yeah, the color is changed, but it's very dark, but yeah, it's green and I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks good, and yeah, it is giving us a touch from Pakistan, so that's good. Definitely in the logo we can modify the color of the logo itself so that it will be like Pakistan. So that's great. I will just bring out the logo again and just want to change the color of the Passman TV. So Passman and TV. Okay, so the color, same color we have chosen for the logo itself, and apply the color. Although the font I didn't like, I will just finalize the logo. So I have changed the logo, and now we can back, and here you can see some other options as well. You can play with the other colors as well, but for now I am happy with the main color. Let's move back, and here you can see we have certain more options like dark mode. If you want to enable that, your site will be blackish, and you can enable the dark mode as well, but I will not. The white site is fine for me. And also we have age verification option. If you want to enable it, you can. And then we will move further, and here the second step you have top bar, and here you can see certain options related to top bar, like general settings, where we can enable the top bar here, and top menu will be appear. If you want to enable that, you can do so, but I will not allow that. And then some other options as well. And after that we have font size. I'm happy with font size. We have colors. I'm happy with the top bar colors as well. So we can return back, and then we have a logo and header. So in the header builder, you can create some custom things as well. And then we have a logo section where we have this image. We can remove this image, so I will just remove it, and I will just select the newer logo. So select the newer logo, and it's also a very important thing that you can give alternate text to your logos. Okay, so for example, Paspan TV logo. Okay, so this is also very nice thing for SEO purpose. So you can actually add that logo as well. And after that you have some other options for the logos. So now here you can see the logo is changed. We can click on publish, and then we can move back, and there are a lot of other things like we can change the slogan text, etc. We can play with other sections like menu bar, primary menu. If we click here, you will see certain menus selected here, but all of these things can be accessible from other sections, and I will show you that thing as well. Also for the home page, you can see we have certain settings for the home page, like and list posts and other things. So actually you can explore these sections, but for these sections specifically we usually need the color thing, and then we usually need the logo thing, and most of that we also need the footer thing. So here you can see that in general we have certain ad, Google AdSense ad if you can put, and then we have certain more things here. Disable footer social icons if you don't want to disable it. So in our case I will not disable these things. And then after that we have the container width and photo copyright text. We can change this text actually. Okay, designed and developed by, okay, and we can change it, I think, and 2023, designed and developed by, no follow, HTTPS, and here you can put your own website. incern like this, and disable italic footer, copy text and copyright text, and I will just enable it. Let's publish it and let's see the result. You can see that we have changed certain things, but logo and this copyright is not changed. We will solve these issues later on, no issue. And most important thing here is most important section is here, the social media, and in social media we can place the links here. So for example, if you click on certain link, in our case if we click on this Facebook, you can see nothing happen. And if we move here, we can click here. Now it's moved to this pencil design, because here the pencil design option is added. So these Facebook widgets are actually available on these top widgets, so we can actually replace this with our own text and with our own links. Definitely for now I will change these with my own links, and later on we will just change with our official business pages. So for example, here we can place the Facebook ID, okay, and then Twitter ID, and then YouTube, etc. So I will show you that if we click here and if we refresh the web after publishing done, okay, now publish is done. Now if we click, you will see that we will move towards the our own page. Okay, so here you can place your own business page link. So in this way I will just change the social media links, and in the next video we'll move further. Goodbye.